What's the meaning of Bafana Bafana? Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana.
Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana is a term used to refer to the South African national men's football team. The phrase literally translates to the boys, in Zulu, and it is a popular nickname for the team. The term was coined in the early 1990s, just as South Africa was transitioning out of apartheid and becoming a democratic nation. It was meant to be an uplifting and unifying term, reflecting the hopes and aspirations of a new era in South African history. The name has since become synonymous with South African football and is recognized around the world as a symbol of pride, passion, and determination.